Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to fill a vector in Figma. This is one of the most fundamental skills you'll use when designing in Figma, whether you're creating icons, illustrations, or any custom shapes. Let's walk through it step by step. First, go ahead and open your Figma file. Once you're in, you'll need to select the vector object on your canvas that you want to fill. Simply click on it to make sure it's active. You'll know it's selected when you see the blue outline around it. Now, direct your attention to the right side of the screen where you'll find the Design panel. This is your control center for styling any object in Figma, and it's where all the magic happens. Within this panel, you'll see various sections for adjusting properties like layout, fill, stroke, and effects. Look for the fill section within that panel. This is where you'll manage the colors and styles applied to the inside of your vector shape. If your vector doesn't already have a fill applied, you'll need to add one. To do this, simply click the plus icon next to the fill header. This creates a new fill layer that you can now customize. Once you've added a fill, or if one already exists, click on either the hex code field or the color square, which is the small swatch showing the current color. This action will open up the color picker, giving you full control over your color selection. In the color picker, you have two main ways to choose your color. You can use the visual picker by clicking and dragging within the color spectrum to find the shade you want. Alternatively, if you have a specific color in mind, you can type the value directly into the hex field. This is especially useful when you're working with brand colors or need precise color matching. Finally, if you want your fill to have some transparency, look just below the color swatch where you'll find the opacity percentage. You can adjust this slider to make your fill more or less transparent. Dragging it to the left reduces opacity, while moving it to the right increases it back to fully solid. And that's it. You've successfully filled your vector object in Figma with the exact color and transparency you wanted. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.